With Intercom Anywhere from Control4, you'll never miss an important delivery again. When your mobile device is part of your Control4 Intercom experience, you'll stay connected and in control like never before.
Could you leave the package just inside the door, please? I'll open it for you.
View your front porch, turn on the light, unlock the door, and more directly from your mobile device. Monitor and secure your packages,
Thank you.
as well as your home. With Intercom Anywhere from Control4, you can easily keep in touch, even though you haven't gone far.
This one? Or this one?
That one.
You can talk to the entire house with just a tap.
Dinner's ready. Dinner's ready.
And check in on the kids, even when they don't answer the phone.
Hi, Mom.
From anywhere in the world, receive calls from your front porch, gate, or even the inside of the house. Even call the touchscreens at home directly from your mobile device using the Intercom Anywhere app. For more information about Intercom Anywhere, contact your Control4 Smart Home professional today. Intercom Anywhere. Connect, communicate, and control like never before.